Hey there! Are you craving something different from your usual meatballs? Today I'll show you how to make these incredible Japanese-style meatballs with a sweet and tangy ketchup sauce that will blow your mind. Trust me, once you try these, they'll become your new favorite comfort food. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's get cooking! Let's dive right into making our delicious Japanese ketchup sauce meatballs. First, we need to prepare the ketchup sauce. In a small bowl, combine some ketchup, rice vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce. Give it a good stir until everything is well mixed. This sauce is going to give our meatballs a sweet and tangy flavor that's just irresistible. In another bowl, mix water and potato starch until the starch is fully dissolved. This mixture will help thicken our sauce later. Once both mixtures are ready, set them aside for now. Next, let's sauté the onion. Heat a splash of cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it becomes soft and translucent, which should take about 5 minutes. The aroma of the onion cooking is just wonderful and will add a nice depth of flavor to our meatballs. Once the onion is ready, transfer it to a large mixing bowl. This step is crucial as it helps to infuse the meatballs with a subtle sweetness and a bit of texture. Now it's time to mix the meatball ingredients. To the bowl with the sautéed onion, add ground pork, an egg, panko breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Use your hands or a spoon to mix everything together until well combined. The egg and breadcrumbs will help bind the meatballs, making them nice and tender. If you prefer, you can substitute ground chicken or turkey for the pork, and if you like a bit of heat, a pinch of chili flakes can be added at this stage. With our mixture ready, let's form the meatballs. Take portions of the meat mixture and roll them into golf ball-sized meatballs. Try to make them as uniform as possible so they cook evenly. This is a great time to get the kids involved if they're around. They'll love rolling the meatballs. If the mixture is sticking to your hands, wetting them slightly can help. Now let's cook the meatballs. In the same heated pan, place the meatballs and cook them over medium heat. Turn them occasionally to ensure they brown on all sides and cook through, which should take about 10 to 12 minutes. The goal here is to get a nice golden brown crust on the outside while keeping them juicy on the inside. Once they're cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Time to prepare and apply the ketchup sauce. Pour the prepared ketchup sauce and the starch water mixture into the same pan. Gently stir everything together over medium heat. As the sauce heats up, it will start to thicken, thanks to the potato starch. Return the meatballs to the pan, making sure they're well coated with the sauce. Let them simmer for a few minutes, so the flavors meld together beautifully. Finally, it's time to serve these delicious meatballs. Serve them warm, and feel free to garnish with some chopped green onions or sesame seeds for a bit of extra flair. These meatballs are perfect on their own, or you can serve them over steamed rice or noodles for a complete meal. Enjoy the delightful blend of flavors and textures in every bite.